This morning I took delivery of the Apple iPhone XS. This is the 256GB model in space grey, and this is the unboxing video. So first in the box we have all the documentation. Here we have Apple's UK USB power adapter. Here we have some corded headphones with the lightning jack. Here we have a USB to lightning charging cable. Finally, we have the Apple XS iPhone. This pretty much looks and feels the same as the Apple iPhone X. It's glass on the back, and on the top left hand corner it has a dual camera system. It has a glass front with a speaker, camera and sensors running along the top edge. Along the bottom edge, so there's some speaker ports as well as a lightning jack. On the right hand side bezel there's the power key as well as the SIM card tray. Along the left hand side bezel there's the volume control and the mute switch. So here's a comparison between the iPhone XS and the iPhone X. As you see, they're pretty much identical. I think the only difference you'll find between the two smartphones is the amount of speaker ports you have on the iPhone XS compared to the iPhone X. You'll see there's fewer on the iPhone XS. Now here's some sample video taken on both the iPhone XS and the iPhone X. If you liked the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.